Bonjour, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. So I hope that you have watched the last two videos of direct indirect speech because that's one of the most important topic for class 10th and there's no choice for this topic. You have to attempt it. It's a mandatory question. So after studying the notes of last two videos, today I'm back with another video in which we're going to practice whatever we have studied before. So let's quickly jump into today's video. So what you need to do is if you're just sitting and watching this video passively, just pause this video, go and get a notebook for yourself, just note down all the parts, try it yourself and get back to this video and check your answers and see if you have understood the concept well. If you have any doubt related to this topic or any other topic, please feel free to put it down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help. So let's start. First part. So it's a mixed question of direct and indirect speech. Direct sentences are also there and indirect sentences are also there. So first part, ma tante me conseille ne conduis pas trop vite quand il pleut. So all you need to do is just note down whosoever is talking to whom. And now understand the structure which is given inside the brackets. So if you see the structure inside the brackets, it's given with an exclamation mark. So exclamation mark means that's the case of imperative, trivia. So in imperative, how are you going to join the sentences? You're going to join it with the help of the word the. Okay, so I'll just put it in small. The. And now it's also negative. So na conduit pas. So how are you going to do it? You write the first, then you write ne pas, and then you write the verb conduire. The ne pas conduire trop vite quand il pleut. So that's our first part. Next part, Valerie me demande, montre-moi ta collection de CD. So it's a very easy topic, but all you need to do is put yourself in that situation. So Valerie is asking me, show me your collection of CD. Now, same thing, I have to report it to you. So Valerie is asking me to, because it's imperative, you can see exclamation mark is again there. To show, I will write this complete and then to show her. So before the verb, I have to use her. Now, if you go back to your pronopersonal topic, you will understand that in COD also you have her and COI also her. So all you need to do is with whichever verb you're writing her, just check whether that verb is direct verb or indirect verb. So if you see montre, montre verb means to show. So I show my wristwatch to my friend. So it's an indirect verb. If it's an indirect verb, I'm going to write COI here. Okay, excuse me for my bad throat. So Valerie me demande de lui montrer, okay, to show her whose collection? Show me your collection. So show her my collection of CD. So this is how you do the second part. So this concept is very, very important here. I will just highlight it. Yes, okay. The next part. So now whosoever is talking to whom, that can be done, given at the latest part of the sentence also. What will you do for fighting the pollution that directors is asking us? Okay, so director is asking us, you can put this first. Mhm. So it's cur. Do you remember the cur changes to circle? Okay. So the director is asking us, whosoever is talking to whom, that portion you have to bring it in the starting. So director is asking us, whatever we are doing, nous ferons pour combattre la pollution. Okay. Let's move on to the fourth part. Mes parents me conseillent. Now, if you see it's joined with the, that means whosoever is talking to whom, just copy that, put comma, open the bracket. My parents are asking me, okay, to be wise and to have patience. So my parents are asking me. Me means one person. So you have to conjugate with tu. You can't do it with vous, okay, because it's singular. Be kind, have patience. So both of them you have to do it in imperative. Okay, both of them you have to do it in imperative with an exclamation mark. Cinq. Le garçon nous du restaurant nous demande. Okay, let me just go back here. The waiter of the restaurant asking us what we would like to drink. So imagine yourself in that restaurant, okay? So the waiter of the restaurant asking, que. Okay, now when the waiter is asking, it will be in the question form. Que voulez-vous boire? Okay, what do you want to drink? Okay, you can also keep switching and keep seeing it vice versa, direct to indirect, indirect to direct. What will be the situation? Okay. So if you change this, le garçon du restaurant, uh, demande ce que nous voulons voir. Okay, so when you reverse it, that's the answer that is been given in the question. Okay. Sixth part, mon ami. I hope that you are understanding. Keep practicing. Okay, there are so many sample papers available. Keep practicing from last year board papers. The more you practice, the more this topic becomes very clear. The most beautiful part of this topic is that the tenses remain same here. In English, tenses change, but here in French, whichever tense is given, you have to take the same tense. So that's really easy. My friend is asking me, so whosoever is talking to whom, just take it. Pourquoi? Why are you bringing my bag? So, pourquoi j'apporte? Why am I bringing his bag? Okay, so imagine yourself in that situation. The best part, my friend is asking me, why are you bringing my bag? Same thing, I have to share it with you. My friend is asking me why I am bringing his bag. Okay. I've taken 7 parts here, but you can practice maybe 7 more and share the answers with me in the comments below. Pauline me demande quels sont tes loisirs préférés. So there is some girl, she's asking me, what are your favorite hobbies? So same thing I have to report to you. Okay. So Pauline is asking me, what are my favorite hobbies? Quels sont mes loisirs préférés? Okay. So you have to join it with a full stop because the question form was there here in the direct speech. In the indirect speech, it will be a full stop. Okay. So these are the parts that we have practiced today. Keep practicing and share your answers with me in the comments below. And I'm also starting with crash course for class 10 students very soon. I'm going to take limited number of students because I believe in working with limited number of students and helping them achieve 100 on 100. So if you are someone who is interested to know more about the crash course, please put down in the comments below details and I'll share all the details with you. Would love to see you in my crash course. Au revoir.